At IIM Raipur, we focus on quality education and high standard curriculum. Traditional lectures are blended with case studies, interactive business games, immersive simulation exercises, and industry based projects. Overall, the academic approach is meticulously designed to empower young and self motivated students to become future leaders.
At IIM Raipur, our faculties are more than just educators. They are our mentors, thought leaders, and industry innovators. Hailing from some of the top B schools in India and from abroad, they bring a wealth of knowledge from around the world to our classrooms.
At IIM Raipur, diversity is a cornerstone of the academic environment. The students come from varied backgrounds, including engineering, science, arts, commerce, agriculture, and so on. So, this diversity fosters a learning experience which allows for the cross pollination of ideas and perspectives. So, the commitment of the Institute towards diversity prepares the students for a very versatile and diverse professional environment.
If there's one term to define the placement scenario at IIM Raipur, it's amazing. We have been consistently outperforming our peer IIMs while maintaining a 100% placement rate. All national and multinational prominent recruiters come here to recruit students. Apart from having ample amount of opportunities during the placement season, the institute leaves no chance in training and owning our skills even before the placement season begins.
At IIM Raipur, we offer sports facilities second to none, with a fully equipped gym, basketball, lawn tennis, and badminton court, as well as refreshing swimming pool. We offer everything that you need to stay active and excel in sports. Come experience our top-notch infrastructure and unleash your athletic potential.
IIM Raipur proudly collaborates with about 20 plus universities across the globe. This year, 30 of our students are attending top B schools across Asia and Europe. Additionally, we have inbound students from KNRTU Russia. IIM Raipur's global partnerships open doors to endless opportunities, shaping future leaders on a global scale.